Don't let your old kids' toys go to waste. Instead, spend some quality crafting time with your child, making one of these fun and easy DIY kid toy hacks. Tennis ball toothbrush holder. Use a utility knife to cut a small line in your tennis ball. Then glue on some googly eyes. Add a suction cup to the back. Place the tennis ball on a bathroom mirror and use the mouth to hold your child's toothbrush. DIY snow globe. Grab a small jar with a lid. Hot glue a figurine to the lid. Fill the jar with water, glycerin, and more water. Add glitter and stir. Place the lid back on top and shake your new snow globe. Create themed containers. Remove the lid from your bathroom containers and superglue your kids' favorite animals on top. Spray paint the lids and animals. Once the paint is dry, place the lids back on the jar. DIY confetti popper. Cut the bottom off of a balloon and attach it to an empty toilet paper roll. Add double-sided tape. Wrap the roll in decorative paper. Cut up a bunch of colored paper and load it into the roll. Pull on the balloon to launch the confetti.